and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys some hair pieces outside because it's lovely weather. I apologize if you can hear the sound of the outdoors. Hopefully you can hear me well, and hopefully you can see well in this outdoor lighting. Today I am sharing these Easi Pieces by Jon Renau. These are volume extensions. You can add them whether you wear a topper or not. You can add length, thickness, volume, density to your biological hair easily with these clip-in extensions. You can wear them under a hat. You can wear them without a hat, a topper, any of that. These extensions are meant for anyone who wants to add extra bulk or length to their existing hair. These Jon Renau Easi Pieces are made with 100% Remy human hair, and with these you can get that instant, convenient, fuller look. These awesome Easi Pieces are designed to be secure, comfortable, and very simple to put in. I've tried a lot of clip-in extensions in my day. I've tried every type of extensions, and I tend to like the kind that you can put in and take out at the end of the day. It's just a lot less damaging on your biological hair. And what I love about the Jon Renau clip-ins is it is so flat up top. Oftentimes with most extensions, you'll have a thicker top where that weft is, and you don't have that with these Easi Pieces. Easi Pieces are available in 3 different lengths: 8-inch, 12-inch, and 16 inches. The ones I am showing you today are 16 inches. I did get these before I chopped my hair the other night, but you can still wear those longer lengths to give you the hair that you want when you have that short hair, when you have that thin hair. I personally like to wear toppers or a hat with my extensions. So whatever you may want to use with your pieces, you can go from short to long, from thin to thick, that easy. I love these barely there polyurethane pieces up top. That's what makes it so discreet and flat against the head. You don't have that thick weft that a lot of extensions have. You can combine different base sizes. So what I mean by base is this top part. They are available in 4-inch, 6-inch, and 9-inch bases. These pieces are lightweight and they blend really well with your biological hair. Not to mention, again, that very thin polyurethane top. These pressure sensitive clips that are nice and soft on the scalp. And you can totally customize these pieces because they do come in a variety of colors. No topper is needed to wear these pieces. You don't even need to be dealing with hair loss at all. Everybody likes more hair. Who doesn't like more hair? So whether you are dealing with hair loss, whether it is beginning stages or even excessive stages, or no hair loss at all, you can utilize these Easi Pieces and create the hair that you've always dreamed of. It's super convenient. It clips in seconds, and you can add them wherever you feel it's needed. So I'm going to clip in these Easi Pieces without my topper. I actually need to smooth this topper, but it is in the same color. And the color that I'm sharing with you guys today in these Easi Pieces is FS4 3330A. And it is one of my most favorite colors in the Jon Renau color collection. It's just so beautiful. I believe this color is part of the Jon Renau chocolate collection, and I'm pretty sure this is called Toffee Truffle. I had my first topper in this color from Jon Renau and I fell in love. So your Easi Pieces come in this cute little box, and then you can, pair them up, layer them, and get what you need based on your specific wants and needs. They're packaged really nicely individually, and I just love that you don't have to get a huge pack of extensions if that's not what you want. If you just want to add 2 pieces up front to add bulk to, a thin front area, if you want to add length in the back, I mean, the possibilities are endless with these pieces, and you kind of just customize it to your needs. Here's another piece. Like I mentioned, this is Remy human hair, so you can style this hair as if it's your own. So where do you place the Easi Pieces? Well, that's totally up to you. There is no right and wrong where to wear your pieces, where to put your pieces, how to wear your pieces. You put them in and you place them where you want them. I even talked about possibly, if you're careful on a wefted wig, if you wanted to add a pop of color, if you wanted to add a little bit more hair, you could probably just place these right on one of those wefts of those wigs. I mean, really, these clip-ins, you can just utilize them how you like. I would suggest maybe using the 2-clip piece for your nape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, I didn't bring a clip out here, so I'm going to do it just like guessing. Now I'm going to put the bigger piece across the larger area of my head. Now, my hair is thin, it's fine. I don't think I'm gonna wear it without a topper or hat, but many people can, and it adds just what they need. Now, when you clip in your extensions on the sides, make sure you leave yourself out a little bit of that perimeter so you can hide those extension tracks. Yeah, these tracks are nice and flat, they're flush, they're discreet, but you still want to be able to use some of your bio hair to help camouflage the edges and, you know, the track. In an instant, I went from short little bob to long, gorgeous, highlighted hair. It's so beautiful. My bio hair is a little bit more, I would say, on the neutral ashy side in comparison to this shade, but I think, you know, mixing in my bio hair with these pieces and then possibly plopping this topper on top, it's going to blend it all together nicely. All right, so you know I am not a fan of the top of my head. I do have quite a bit of thinning, so although these pieces can be used alone for those who don't need a topper or a hat or some addition on top of their head, those who do can pair it together and just create that full, seamless, amazing look. So I'm going to put on this Top Form French by Jon Renau. I have done a review on this beautiful piece. This is in the same color, Toffee Truffle, in human hair. So you can style this just like you would your human hair with your heat tools, you know, your ram brush, your blow dryer, just, you know, create the style you prefer because it is that gorgeous human hair. This also has those pressure sensitive clips, just like these EasiPieces, and all together it just creates such an easy, simple, and convenient way to enhance your look, transform your hair, and create the styles that you personally feel fantastic in. So I will go ahead and put this Top Form French on. Like I said, I haven't styled or smoothed this piece for a while, so she wasn't 100% ready for showcasing on a video, but I just grabbed it real quick because it does match these EasiPieces. But you guys kind of get the gist of what these pieces can do for your look, whether you wear a topper, a hat, or no other addition at all. You can add that beautiful length and density that you're looking for. I mean, I went from short, thin bob to luscious, long, beautiful, long locks. Now, if you have really thin hair and you are worried about those clips, you're worried about it tugging on your thin, fragile biological hair, one thing you can do is add some powder, you can use some sprays, something that will give your biological hair some grip. Jon Renau does have a dry shampoo that you can use in the roots to give the roots of your biological hair that grip that will easily help those clips cling and hang on a little bit easier in comparison to your, you know, thin, fine, and sometimes slippery biological hair. I'm not sure if that makes sense. Like I've used hair fibers before prior to clipping in extensions and toppers, because that just adds that additional grip for those clips to clip onto. Another thing people do is they will slightly back comb where they are choosing to clip in their pieces, whether that's the Easi Pieces or a topper, and that can give that additional grip that your clips can grab onto. I hope these tips and tricks help. Let me know what you guys think about the Jon Renau Easi Pieces. Would you wear them? Would you pair them with a topper if you wear toppers? Or if you are dealing with just, you know, slight thinning, would you wear them to add that length and bulk that you might be looking for? Let me know, comment below. Let me do a full turnaround so you guys can see the difference in the density and volume. I'm not even sure what it looks like because I don't have a mirror. This is a guessing game, but here we go. Oh my goodness, it's raining, you guys. We need rain. There's a drought over here, so, and I hear thunder. Good thing I'm covered. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to look for Easi Pieces, I will have the Jon Renau store locator down below, so you guys can find a brick and mortar location or an online location and find Easi Pieces and this topper and all the other Jon Renau products available. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.